Welcome to the Art of Eating Well. Today we're diving into the essence of farm-to-table cooking, a movement that champions locally sourced ingredients and seasonal menus. Imagine biting into a dish where every ingredient has a story, a connection to the land it came from. This is the heart of farm-to-table, where meals are a celebration of local farmers and their bountiful produce. Books like The Farm to Table Cookbook by Daphne Brogden bring these concepts into our kitchens, offering recipes that help us connect with local, seasonal flavors at home. But it's not just about cooking, it's a lifestyle. Barbara Kingsolver's Animal Vegetable Miracle takes us on a journey of sustainable living, highlighting the profound impacts of choosing farm to table. Technology also plays a pivotal role. Tools like the farm-to-table recipe generator harness AI to tailor recipes based on what's locally available, making sustainable cooking more accessible. The conversation continues in the digital space, with podcasts like the Farm to Table podcast, where chefs and farmers share insights, deepening our understanding of the food we eat. For those eager to delve deeper, online courses like the Farm to Table Cooking course offer hands-on learning about sourcing and cooking with local ingredients. And finally, imagine a world where every meal is thoughtfully sourced, beautifully cooked, and deeply nourishing. That's the promise of Farm to Table, a promise of food that's good in every sense of the word. Join us as we explore this delicious revolution.